What do they have in common? The same brain. The only difference is the programming running inside of it. Most people try to work harder, hustle more, grind longer hours. But millionaires don't just change their schedules, they change their subconscious identity. If you've ever felt stuck with money, like no matter what you do, it just slips away, it's not your fault. 95% of your financial decisions come from old beliefs that are buried in your subconscious. I know this because I've lived it. Years ago, I was working harder than ever, but getting nowhere. Everything changed when I stopped fighting my external world and reprogrammed my inner world. That shift created the life I live today, which is pretty good. When you clear those old money beliefs like money is hard, success is selfish, I'll never be wealthy, you unlock a new identity, one that attracts opportunity, wealth, and freedom naturally. It's part of the law of attraction, doorways that open up. But also this weird thing happens to the way that you actually see yourself, and then how others see you. And it's more than just exuding self-confidence. It's like you're wearing a new skin, and in a way, you are. Millionaires don't just change what they do, they actually change who they are. And the Zygon technology is designed to help you install that millionaire's identity into your subconscious mind. So here's your moment. You can keep grinding the old way, or you can rewire your subconscious for wealth and let success become automatic. I want you to watch my free Millionaire's Mind workshop at Zygon Academy. In it, I'll walk you through how to install the millionaire's identity in your subconscious so wealth becomes natural. Like I said, it's free and it will show you exactly how this works. Just click the link below and access it now.